We are in the most severe drought on the gauged record, and the drainage area is so large and there's so many different soil types. The only way to get a handle on the total picture is going to be from a remote sensing from a satellite. So SMAP will be a remote sensing satellite that will examine soil moisture from space. We surface water to over 1 million people here in Central Texas, and we manage the Colorado River from Lake Buchanan all the way to the Gulf of Mexico.
What you can't measure, you can't manage. And the soil moisture is a very important part of the cycle of water that we can't measure right now.
Soil moisture is a hidden reservoir that holds water that we don't have gauges on. And it's important because that reservoir has to be filled up before we see runoff into our stream gauges.
The lakes continue to just ignore all of the rainfall and continue downward. And it's just because the soils are so dry that you can't have excess moisture until the soils are wet.
With soil moisture monitoring, we'll have a better understanding earlier on whether this is a rainfall event that's going to deliver runoff or whether it's a rainfall event that's just going to be soaked into the soil and not cause a flood event.
In flash flood, particularly when you're coming out of a drought, there's always a question mark about how the soil is going to react to a heavy rainstorm.
Let's say it's been dry, you don't have a whole lot of ground cover, your grasses are gone, you lose topsoil, which in turn means you can't grow anything because it takes hundreds of years to produce new topsoil.
As we go into the future and we have more and more people, the importance of managing flood and managing the water supply as efficiently as we can is just critical.